Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The BEST stair climbing cart is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools you can add to your arsenal, especially if you frequently find yourself navigating stairs with heavy loads. Imagine effortlessly gliding up multiple flights of stairs with groceries, moving boxes, or even laundry, transforming a daunting chore into a simple task. This innovative cart is designed to alleviate the physical strain and time commitment typically associated with transporting items vertically, making it a game changer for anyone living in multi-story homes, apartments, or even for small business owners who need to move inventory efficiently. Its robust construction and clever design ensure stability and ease of use, promising to revolutionize how you handle everyday hauling. Number 5. Magna Cart Folding Platform Cart. Introducing the Magna Cart Folding Platform Cart, your ultimate solution for moving heavy loads. This robust cart is designed to make transporting bulky items effortless. Easily tow freight boxes, crates of groceries, or garden equipment weighing up to 300 pounds. Its sturdy construction ensures it can handle your toughest hauling tasks. The convenient telescoping aluminum handle extends up to 36 inches, providing an easier and more comfortable transportation solution. Adjust it to your perfect height for effortless movement. Equipped with 4 durable rubber wheels that require no air and rotate 360 degrees. This allows for smooth and easy maneuvering of your cargo in any direction. This space-saving hand cart folds flat for easy storage, with dimensions of 26 by 16 by 3.5 inches when folded. It's incredibly easy to open and use whenever you need it. It comes fully assembled, lightweight, and portable, making it perfect for small moving jobs. Keep it handy in your home, office, or garage for quick transport needs. What we like. This cart is designed for heavy-duty hauling with a substantial 300-pound weight capacity. Its telescoping handle extends for comfortable use, and the 4 sturdy wheels ensure smooth transport. If you frequently move large or heavy items like boxes, crates, or garden equipment, and need a reliable solution for flat surfaces, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Heavy-duty and durable use for thousands of deliveries, with 300 pounds, payload capacity that we sometimes exceed, and much more versatile than a hand truck. Highly maneuverable with swivel casters at the front. Handle folds flat into the cutouts in the platform, as do the wheels, so it becomes truly 3.5 inches slender when folded. Number 4. DBEST Product Stair Climber Trolley Dolly. Introducing the ultimate solution for carrying your goods. This cart is designed to make trips up and down stairs incredibly smooth and easy. It perfectly balances lightweight capability with durability, featuring a unique 6-wheel design. Glide up and down stairs with ease, whether you're heading to the market or the beach. When not in use, it conveniently folds down in half for compact storage. Easily tuck it away in your car trunk, under the bed, or in the closet. Use it as a shopping cart, utility cart, or even a lightweight dolly capable of carrying up to 150 pounds. Little to no assembly is required. Living in an apartment or condo? This cart climbs stairs more smoothly than any other on the market. Its wheels are strategically placed to avoid getting in the way. Keep your belongings organized with 8 compartments, including a beverage holder and multiple pockets. Everything you need goes where you go. What we like. This cart features a unique 6-wheel design specifically engineered to glide up and down stairs effortlessly. It also folds in half for incredibly compact storage and offers multiple compartments for all your essentials. If you live in a condo or apartment and frequently navigate stairs, or if you enjoy shopping at flea markets and the beach, this cart is perfect for you. What people say. The wheel design does make moving it upstairs much easier. The trolley goes up and down the stairs easily and carries a lot of clothes. The stair climber moves effortlessly over the steps. It holds at least 6 full grocery bags, and you can make it more secure by strapping it in with a bungee cord so the weight of the bags doesn't move the backpack from side to side on the cart. Also convenient that the backpack can be used separately and that it can be removed to cart boxes or any other heavy items by placing them on the footbed of the cart. Number 3. Mounted, 6-wheel stair climbing dolly. Introducing the mounted, stair climbing dolly, designed to make moving heavy items up and down stairs a breeze. It's perfect for anyone who needs a reliable way to transport goods, making everyday moves safer and more manageable. Say goodbye to back strain and awkward handling. Its unique 6-wheel system rolls smoothly over each step, reducing the need for heavy lifting and improving your balance compared to traditional hand trucks. This hand truck is built for real-world moving tasks. It boasts an honest capacity of 330 lbs on flat ground and 265 pounds on stairs, giving you confidence in its reliable performance. Designed for ease of use, it offers balanced weight distribution and ergonomic grips. This allows a single person to move loads up or down stairs with less effort and greater control. Living in a small space? This stair climber cart folds flat for easy storage. It fits neatly into closets, garages, or even your car trunk when not in use. The telescoping handle adjusts to your height for optimal leverage and comfort. An included bungee cord ensures your items stay securely in place during transport. Enjoy peace of mind with our US-based customer support and a lifetime manufacturer's warranty. We're here to assist you with any questions or concerns. What we like. Built for real-world stair moving, this heavy-duty hand truck boasts a 265 pounds capacity specifically for stairs, significantly reducing lifting and strain. Its 6-wheel system and balance design make it easy for one person to control. If you're a homeowner, renter, or professional who frequently moves heavy items up or down stairs and prioritizes safety and ease of use, this is the ideal tool. What people say. It does indeed make it easier to lift stuff up the stairs. The other thing I like is that top handle part can go down and the plate on the bottom folds up for storage. Worked as it should. Held up well under a couple hundred pounds. Number 2. DBEST Products Stair Climber Cruiser Cart. Conquer stairs with ease thanks to its innovative 6-wheel design. The front swivel wheels provide exceptional maneuverability, making every trip smoother. Perfect for your supermarket runs, it easily transports all your groceries from the market to your home. Say goodbye to flimsy plastic bags and embrace this convenient wheeled carrier. Beyond groceries, it's ideal for laundry, detergents, and even outdoor gear. This versatile cart simplifies moving various items, from camping equipment to toys and tools. The cushioned handle is designed for comfort, reducing strain on your hands. It's a perfect solution for seniors or anyone needing an easier way to transport items. When not in use, it folds down compactly for easy storage. Its lightweight design makes it convenient to handle and store in tight spaces. Built for durability yet surprisingly lightweight, this cart is designed to make your life easier. Move your belongings with confidence and ease. What we like. This cart utilizes a 6-wheel design to effortlessly navigate stairs, making trips to the supermarket or laundromat a breeze. It also features an ergonomic handle to reduce hand stress and folds compactly for easy storage. If you're a mobile senior, a shopper without a vehicle, or anyone looking for a convenient way to transport groceries, laundry, or other items, this cart is a great companion. What people say. This cart, however, solved that problem in a pinch. I bought the separate bag that goes with this cart, and with the two paired together I can put my dirty laundry or my clean laundry in it and all my detergents and fabric softeners in it as well, and have it easily carried from place to place however I need it or whenever I need it. The cart folds up easily for storage, although the triangle shapes will assembly does take up a bit of space. Nevertheless, it's easy to work with and it hangs up really easily if you want to hang it from a wall or just leave it set assembled that open on the floor somewhere. This cart really works to go up porch stairs to cart groceries into the house in fewer steps. Can also be used to move other items up those stairs. Number 1. DBEST Products Quik Cart Elite Stair Climber. This cart features an upgraded retractable handle that collapses for easy storage and expands to hold all your supplies. It's perfect for boxes, baskets, bins, and even heavy books. It's designed to make your life easier, carrying up to 120 pounds of small items. Keep your files and documents organized whether you're heading to the office or working on home improvement projects. Built to last, it folds down to just 3 inches thick and weighs less than 8 pounds. This makes it ideal for groceries, organizing supplies, and general use. The sturdy lid can support up to 270 pounds, serving as a convenient seat or step stool. It's also great for storing tools, groceries, or even DJ equipment. Living in an apartment or condo is no problem. Its unique 6-wheel design allows it to glide up and down stairs smoothly, making it easier to transport items. What we like. This cart is designed with dual tri-wheels for exceptionally smooth stair climbing and features a unique non-slip lid that doubles as a seat or step stool. It also folds down to an incredibly slim profile for easy storage. If you're a teacher needing to haul supplies, a handyman, or someone who appreciates versatile functionality and compact storage, this cart offers convenience and practicality. What people say. Good at climbing stairs handles weight well and you can use as a seat. The wheels are smooth and made of rubber. It holds a lot and it's durable enough for me to put, in addition to groceries inside the cart, 3 to 28 bottled cases of water on top of the cart. I was able to wheel everything up 2 sets of stairs, 3 stairs each. The 3-wheel per side system really does help it go up and down stairs much more easily, and after years of rough use, none of the wheels have fallen off or broken. In addition, while the plastic box itself doesn't look any tougher than other carts I've had, the sides and bottom are still solid. These pieces on other carts have cracked or broken after heavy use, but the plastic parts on this cart seem to be made out of a tougher material. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.